Hi there, friends. Have you ever looked outside and wondered why it's sunny one day and rainy the next? That's called weather, and it's always changing. Come along as we explore the wonderful world of weather together. Look up! Do you see the bright yellow sun? It's a sunny day. The sun is shining bright. Sunny days are perfect for a picnic, yummy sandwiches, juicy fruits, and cold drinks. So delicious. And what's better on a hot day? Ice cream, of course. Strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. Let's play, run, and laugh in the sunshine. Sunny weather is the best for fun with friends. Uh-oh! Do you hear that? Drip, drop, drip, drop. It's a rainy day, but don't worry. Rainy days can be fun too. Grab your raincoat and umbrella. Let's go splash in some puddles. Look at that big puddle. Ready, set, splash. Jumping in puddles is so much fun on a rainy day. Splash, splash. Rain isn't just fun for us. Plants love it too. The raindrops give them a big drink of water, helping them grow tall and green. Sometimes on a rainy day, it's nice to stay warm and cozy inside. Look, the raindrops are tapping on the window like a little song. With a warm cup of tea in your hands, it's the perfect time to relax and watch the rain dance. Brrr! When it gets really cold, snowflakes fall from the sky. That means it's a snowy day. When it's cold outside, wearing warm clothes keeps us cozy and happy. Put on your jacket, scarf and mittens. And don't forget a warm hat and boots. Now you're ready to play and stay comfy in the chilly weather. Look at all the fluffy snow. Careful! Here comes a friendly snowball. Whee! Playing in the snow is so much fun on a chilly day. Some animals love snowy weather too. They hop, run, or hide in the snow to stay warm and safe. Look up! The sky is full of clouds today. Cloudy weather means the sun is hiding behind fluffy, soft clouds. Even on a cloudy day, you can still have lots of fun outside. The air feels cool and fresh, perfect for running and playing with friends. Whoa! Look at the trees, they're dancing in the wind. Wind is air that moves and helps make the weather fun and exciting. Windy days are great for flying kites and feeling the breeze on your face. Just hold on to your hat. The wind might try to take it away. Look at the big windmill spinning in the breeze. Windmills use the power of the wind to help make electricity. That's the energy we use to turn on lights and watch TV. Look at the birds flying high in the windy sky. They use the wind to help them soar and glide without flapping their wings too much. Whoa! What's all that white stuff in the air? That's called fog. Fog is like a cloud that comes down low to the ground. When it's foggy, people drive carefully and turn on their lights so they can see where they're going. Wow! We learned so much about the weather today. Sunny, rainy, snowy, windy, cloudy, and even foggy. Every kind of weather is special in its own way. So next time you look outside, see what the sky is saying. Until next time, Stay curious and keep exploring the weather. Bye-bye. Looking for fun, printable colouring books and worksheets? Visit Mojumi on Etsy. Link in the description.